Hello everyone. Did you know that particle swarm optimization, or PSO, is a population-based computational method inspired by the social behavior of birds flocking or fish schooling used to solve optimization problems? In PSO, a group of candidate solutions called particles move through the search space, adjusting their positions based on their own best-found solutions and the best-known solutions of the group. Each particle updates its velocity and position by balancing exploration, in other words, searching new areas, and exploitation, in other words, refining known good areas. Over iterations, this cooperative process allows the swarm to converge toward optimal or near-optimal solutions efficiently, making PSO a powerful and widely used technique in engineering, machine learning, and optimization tasks. What do you think? Do you use particle swarm optimization in your research? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.